Hello, welcome to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best clays are sold and reviewed in the last couple of months on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Sculpting clay for beginners. Sargent Art Plastilina clay. As a beginner, you want your sculptures to be created easily and be able to see the result quickly. Sargent Art's Plastilina clay is a perfect option to start, based on the above terms, as it is a mineral-based clay, which makes it safe to use at any age. Both adults and kids will effortlessly find their way around this material to create true pieces of art. The clay never dries out, which allows you to adjust and modify your crafts from time to time. Because of the non-greasy texture, the clay will not stain on unwanted places, like clothing for example. The clay is quite elastic and pliable, which makes it easy to use, even for the tiniest hands. A big plus, the Sargent Arts Plastilina clay is non-toxic and has a budget-friendly price. Why is it special? Non-hardening, non-toxic, gluten-free, and free of sulfur. Leaves no residue on hands. Very inexpensive. Easy to blend with other colors. Simple to clean up after. What are the flaws? Needs to be softened before use. Can get too soft on warmer days, which can affect your artwork once they are already done. Number 2. Air dry clay. Aurora Pottery air dry clay. This no-bake, water-based clay by Aurora Pottery is the perfect solution to get creative in sculpting and modeling without the use of an oven or kiln. It is a great option when you are looking for pliable clay. The substance has a soft feel to it, which makes it simple to use. As there are various options in volume and weight, your desired artwork of any size, from small to enormous, is just a click away when using this clay. It dries quite slowly in the air, which allows you to adjust your piece into detail. The clay is safe to use for kids, as the material is non-toxic and oil-free, and doesn't stain. If you want to add some color, your dried artwork is easy to paint with acrylic paint. Why is it special? Air dries, can be finished without being treated with heat. Non-toxic, suitable for any age, can be colored easily with acrylic paint, easy to use and sculpt, available in different volumes. What are the flaws? Is best to use with gloves, as the material may be hard to remove from your hands after using. Number 3. Polyform Sculpey 3 Polymer clay. Sculpey 3 was created as basic modeling clay for children to use with an extra soft feel and a wide color palette. While the original Sculpey is available in large bricks with only 2 colors, Sculpey 3 comes in smaller packages in almost 30 colors. This clay is fairly soft compared with the other Sculpey brands and well suited for modeling projects. Though it may not work well for detail-oriented work, it's also not the best choice for color consistency or for projects requiring strong clay. Number 4. Monster Clay Premium Grade Modeling Clay. Oil-based clay is a great find for artists that are interested in casting reproductions. This modeling clay has a low density and comes with an oven-safe container. The smoothness and the fact that it is wax and oil-based are the most important benefits. Given this, adding details is done within the blink of an eye. Monster Clay is a premium and professional grade, free from sulfur clay, and is melted easily to a more pourable consistency. When the material starts to cool off, it is still practicable, but when using the microwave to soften the substance, it still allows you to shape it into any shape you want, into the smallest details. The clay can be used with platinum silicone molding compounds and is easy to store. Monster Clay claims that, because of the lower density, you get roughly 25% more clay per pound without the added cost compared to other oil-based clays. Why is it special? High plasticity and very smooth. Non-toxic, free from sulfur. Suitable to be reused and remelted indefinitely. Great to create bigger sculptures and figures. Less likely to crack compared to water-based clay. Large quantity, value for money. What are the flaws? The wax cools off quite fast, and the wax might be harder to knead and master. Number 5. Polymer Clay Shuttle Art. When you are on the lookout to make fun, colorful pieces and start with a complete set at hand, then this Polymer Clay Shuttle Art Kit is probably your best choice. This extensive kit contains 50 different colors of oven-bake modeling clay, with a non-sticky, pliable feel, and is safe to use for children. The container is super handy and perfect to store and organize the clay and accessories. Also, the kit comes with several sculpting tools and accessories, such as a silicone mold and tools to create small accessories like keychains or jewelry. It's a great choice for adults as well as kids. The clay is non-toxic, eco-friendly, and the clay can easily be finished in a home oven, or even while using a blow dryer, as well as the boiling method. If you ask us, it's a great clay to experiment with on both bigger and smaller projects. Why is it special? Does not need to be colored after baking, can be finished and heated easily in a home oven, non-sticky and doesn't stain. Extremely extensive kit, holds shape well as the finest details. Comes with a booklet that provides several ideas to sculpt and a lot of inspiration. What are the flaws? The colors in the kit are not provided with numbers or recognizable names whatsoever. This makes it hard to remember what color you used, and in the darker color section the clay may turn out to be a different color than expected after molding and kneading.